Hello, everyone, and welcome to TUI News Capsule. I'm Abhishek Chaudhary from the Times of India, and joining me is Shishir Arya, my colleague. He will be telling us more about the proposed strike of jewelers in Nagpur and probably outside as well. Shishir, can you tell us what exactly is the issue that the jewelers have?
No, it's about hallmarking. Hallmarking is like getting a quality certificate from the Bureau of Indian Standards for the gold jewelry. This has been a contentious issue always between the jewelers and the government. I mean, for various reasons. But finally, the jewelers had accepted from June when the government from June 16, made it mandatory to get all the jewelry hallmark. The government, the jewelers also accepted, but that it was for batches of gold. I mean, it wasn't in terms of weight. See, you could done 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg, whatever stock. I mean, entire batch consisting of a certain weight, could be hallmark. But after that, after June 16th, sometime in July, the government again came up with an order called with a system called HUID. It's like hallmark unique ID. So this is like an Aadhaar card of the gold of the gold jewelry. So every other bangle, every other necklace at the jeweler shop has to be hallmarked with a unique ID, which has to be uploaded in the BIS website called the Manak Bureau portal. So this is what ruffled the jewelers. Now they're saying that this would lead to unnecessary bookkeeping, and the the basic reason for the strike that they are given in the release is that there are very few centers that can hallmark that can do the hallmarking. So if each piece has to be each and every ornament has to be hallmarked, it is taking 10 to 15 days and unnecessarily holding up the stock. This is one thing. But if you talk to people independently, talk to the observers and the consultants and others in the industry, this HUID gives a scope of keeping a track of each and everything that has gone from one shop to another, from a shop to a consumer. So that is one reason. That I mean, I shouldn't be saying that is one reason for the strike, but that is one possibility. But jewelers are saying that they have no problems with the tracking system. They only worried because the only contention is that the whole thing has become so slow. So they would like
Right. So
to.
it basically is a more logistical issue for them, and it's basically time consuming, is what they are claiming.
That is what
So
each ornament will have to be it remains stuck up at the hallmarking center for 10 days, 15 days. So they can't meet the commitment to
So
the
Shishir,
buyer.
you had reported in the Times of India about how they are planning a strike, a one-day strike. So can we say that it is just a token strike, or do you feel that they might take this agitation forward little more
No,
aggressively?
this is a token strike. So, and there have been strikes against various taxes, this and that. So there have been 2 3 days strikes earlier also. But as far as gold is nothing that it's not an essential commodity. So ultimately, the jewelers would it's like a tug of war. How far the government is. Nobody is going to starve. If you don't sell gold.
Right. And
So upon the it's it depends on how long the jewelers can sustain without selling.
absolutely. It's a little show of strength and tug of war, as you rightly said. Lastly, and always we try to get the point across as it what it means to the readers, what it means to the common man. So, what can you tell us? I mean, how this notification that has come will affect the common man as of now?
Hallmarking to the common man is like a certificate from the government that this piece of ornament contains as much as gold, as much as the gold in a particular ornament is as much pure as it is claimed by the jeweler.
Okay,
So
so
this is one.
this individual ID that you're saying, so that will be implemented. Like if someone goes to buy it next week, will that process will be implemented?
Individual ID is an add-on to it. Earlier, what used to happen, the jeweler would take his stock of gold, say 100 kg, sorry, not 100 kg is too much, 1 kg hallmark. So everything making made out of that 1 kg was was had the hallmark, could carry the hallmark. Now each and every, even the smallest of a ring, nose ring, to a bracelet or whatever will be hallmark. And also with it, as I told you, it's like the Aadhaar card of the gold ornament. It
Right.
It provides the scope of tracking the item.
For the consumer, obviously, this becomes an added security feature as well. So, thank you, Shishir, for clarifying all these nitty-gritties and the technicalities of this issue. And obviously, you will be keeping track of it in the days to come, especially after the proposed strike, also to see how this entire thing unfolds. So, thank you, viewers, for joining us on this TOI News Capsule, and we'll see you again later with a new episode with a different issue. Thank you.